been wandering through these hills, and I ain't got no more pills, and the mean old wind won't blow no luck my way. And the world has made me strong, but it can't contain me long, for I got a mind to make these bastards pay. Don't you come round throwing lead, lest your wish is to get dead. 'Cause the iron on my hip don't tell no lies. Oh, and God can't save you here, He moved back east last year. Yeah, the dust will swallow up your mournful cries. This here is hard country. If you don't take these words to heart, you'll find your share of teachers give you some lessons round these parts. Tell you no amount of right gonna justify your lies. I can see right through you and that glass you pour. We can settle this like men, bring these troubles to an end, and I can learn you to keep your eyes off what ain't yours. This here is hard country. If you don't take these words to heart, you'll find your share of teachers give you some lessons round these parts. You say the town you're in can't hold you. Come on out to Canastota. Yeah, the long arms of the law don't reach us here. And if you really wanna try me, at the U-Bar Inn you'll find me. Room 11, just me and my 6 gun. We're drinking beer